Hello and welcome to another episode of Squirtified Engineering. I'm Spiritus, and if you're new to the channel, then please consider subscribing so you can stay up to date with all my different projects. In today's episode, we are going to continue with the brackets for the ethanol content sensor and the boost solenoid. It's time to do a bit of bending and make them look like actual brackets. So I will just change clothes and get started. So as it turns out, I've made this upside down. So I need to redo all my bends in the opposite direction. The boost solenoid bracket seems to be fitting quite nicely. We have space between the air filter and the bracket, so quite nice. So this is what the bracket looks like. I got some damage here, but I will anyway weld on the openings. So I will do a bit of welding here and then grind it back. Oh, I forgot to open. need to take care of that. So all the bends are finished, and I will need to make it a bit more pretty, but the boost solenoid bracket turned out quite nicely. But yeah, I will do a bit of spot welding and grinding, and then it will be ready for paint, maybe. So that's it for this episode. 2 brackets, at least bent, so that's good. I will bring them home and try them on the sensors and see how it works. But for now, thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Stay safe. Take care. Bye bye.